What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that keeps updating. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update. Now here you will see a auto update over Wi-Fi button. So if you have enabled auto download over Wi-Fi for software updates, then turn it back off, and after that your mobile will stop updating by itself. But after turning off auto download, if you are still facing the same issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to confirm, and after restarting your phone it will help you to fix your issue. But after these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset all settings in your phone. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now here again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the auto updating issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.